Hey guys, I'm just bringing you along with me. I went to check out a new nail supply store that I found. They're a little new. I think they've been here a year, they said, but I never knew they were in this area. You can see they're having a little bit of sales and stuff, but this one is a little bit more expensive than the other two that I go to. So the other two that I go to are a little bit cheaper. One thing about it, if you need polishes, like I like the D&D polishes, they're definitely cheaper at these nail supply stores. Because on Amazon, the one I wanted $17, and here it was 10, but he was out of all three. And I don't know how this happens. Sometimes I don't like social media because I feel like when one person says something on social media, everybody goes crazy. Half of the stuff true, half of the stuff not true. But the three numbers that I want, he didn't have. And he talking about they've been out for a while. I'm like, sir, you need to reorder. Like, come on. So I was able to find the numbers that I want on Mercari and eBay. So I'm just going to order from there. Let me know if y'all can see, so I know that next time I need to zoom in closer if you're having a hard time seeing. But he had everything. I mean, pedicure stuff, nail stuff. You're going to see eyelash stuff. He basically had whatever you wanted, he had. Okay? Anything you wanted, he had. So I will be back. I did grab some nail charms. I did grab, because he had some dollar nail charms. He had some $2 stickers or something, I think. I want to go back for some chrome polish. I definitely been getting into the chrome, and I want to go back for the cat eye. I want to do the cat eye again. I like that. I think that is a very simple, fast look and design, especially considering I do my nails myself. So I definitely want to go back for that. But this is my first time in this store. You see, he has the aprons, he has the pedicure stuff, the floor stuff, whatever you need. These bins are clearance bins and pedicure bins. So like I say, he's a little bit pricier than the other store I went to, but he does have his certain things that are not bad at all. So I'm just kind of taking y'all around the store so y'all can see. I mean, even all the way up to these big jars. I think these are big jars of pedicure scrub or something. I wanted to open them and smell them. They all look like they smell so good, but I didn't, y'all. I didn't. Wait till y'all see these nails that I found that he had in here, y'all. You no longer have to put double tips, triple tips, or whatever y'all. Look, a whole case and tray of nails. And let me show y'all these extremely long nails that he has hanging off the side. I was trying to see if he had curve. I didn't see no major curve, but then I saw these. Now that's a curve, and they're already extra long. And he also had clear. Those are the clear. $3.99. That's not bad. $3.99. That's not bad at all. So let's go look at some more of the store. So here are a lot of the rhinestones. I said one day I'm just gonna splurge and get one of these big rhinestone kits and trays with all the different sizes. My problem is I don't like all the sizes. I have extra long nails, and I like big rhinestones, like ones that you can see. I can't do anything with the little rhinestones. There's nothing I can do with the little rhinestones at all. So I don't know, but yeah. So here are the trinkets. I still feel like on AliExpress and Shein, you get more bang for your buck with the charms, with the nail charms. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like you get more for the same price. Like here you get 5 for $5, but on Ali or another place you might get 15 for $5. You know what I'm saying? So that's like my thing with that. But I am going to grab some that he had on sale for $2. I'm going to grab some that he had on sale for $2. And I'll try to show y'all at the end of the video. But very wide selection. There's not anything that's going to go unnoticed or unmissed here. Extremely wide selection of stuff. So I'll definitely be back to this store. Oh, those are cute. Yep, grab that one. Those are cute. I think I want those. Nope, I think I don't. But I think I did end up going back for those. I'm looking at the stone sizes. Oh, you see that thing hanging from my hand? So when you come in here, you have to put your purse in a locker. And that's the locker key. Each locker key has a charm on it. You have to put your purse in a locker. You cannot walk around with your purse. So I had to put my purse in a locker. And that's the locker key. And then when you get ready to pay, you go to the locker. And I mean, hey, I get it. If I owned a business and I had this much of little stuff, like stickers and all this little stuff around, I get it. At first, I felt kind of weird about it because this is the second time this has happened to me. The hair stores where I live have started doing this. If your purse is a certain size, it's got to go in a locker in the beauty supply stores where I live now. So this is the second time this has happened to me. So it still feels a little weird, but I understand that people are trying to run a business and people are out here just stealing. And I get it. I used to have a hair store myself, as y'all know. Oh, this is a whole pack. I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna come back. That's a whole pack. I thought about it and I grabbed it. I'll show y'all. But you know, people are trying to run a business, and I guess I won't want nobody stealing from me either. Even though we know they're paying vendor prices for this stuff, it's still their business. They cannot afford for you to be getting stuff for free. They got rent, they got lights, they got water, they got workers' comp insurance, or whatever else the heck they got. So I get it. But I'm starting to get used to having to, lock my purse down. Y'all know we be wanting our purse on us, honey. But it's okay. It's in the locker. It's locked. Nobody can get it. I got the key in my hand. So let me know if y'all are experiencing this in the areas that y'all are in. Also, if you guys have any vendors or anywhere that you shop that has nail art supplies or nail supplies or good polishes, put it down below. I'd definitely like to check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all shop the rest of the store, and I'll see you in the next one.